Okay. I'm just trying to see if he's available now. If not, I
If you worry about me, don't worry about it. You can go ahead. 10, 15 minutes later, come back. I'm doing my stuff. Don't worry. Thank you, sir. If you want.
Yeah, just so it looks like he's not answering at the moment. But I sent your account over, so I'm gonna let him know, see if you're available to call him.
Is it possible for you, if he wasn't available, let me know when he got a time and when he got what time he's going to call me? Not, I know it might not be today, but just let me know at least what day and when.
Oh yeah, sure. I mean, so pretty much at the moment, he looks like he's not at the department at the moment. So I went to send his account. So if he doesn't answer me by today, most likely he may not be in today. So he would most likely get the message tomorrow.
I'm sorry. Can I ask you for one favor? Is it possible you you can't be on the phone? You mean it's not your position?
Yeah, because with me, even if I don't have like the authorization or anything to override the account and then see if it has gone through. So there's like a special program where
Yeah, no, 100% understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I want to know,
So,
do you think is there any possibility that I can keep getting, like, if you look at my account, I've been doing it like 3 years, 4 years right now with you guys.
yeah.
I want to know if you can let me have it run, and you guys do or ask me whatever you guys want. But I want to be able to get and pay back to get a higher amount and have a report on it, please. Do you think is it possible you ask about this one right now to see if we can able to let the account run and we take care of this one?
Yeah, so what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to talk to Ruben and see if we could go ahead and take care of the account. But then again, like pretty much at the moment, like I don't have any future option to do anything at the moment. So for them, when they're able to go ahead and investigate it still, I think we should be able to go ahead and notify you, because that way we can get your loan like situated. And once we get it situated, then you should be able to go ahead and continue loaning with us again. But typically at this moment, I know that this situation is pretty odd, so we're just trying to go ahead and try to figure out what the transaction is looking like, and then pretty much from there, if we're able to locate it, then we should be able to go ahead and figure out if it has returned or if it has been cleared, and then that way we can go ahead and give you a definitive answer what happened to your loan.
Thank you so much. And then I'm gonna be not waiting. Do you think if it's not today, you're gonna be tomorrow, right? Or
Yeah.
Okay,
he's not in today, so
because I don't
so hopefully tomorrow.
I don't answer the phone that much. That's the reason I call ask you because I want to be available. Last time I missed a call like 3 times for 3 weeks.
Yeah, I know it's been such a long time. But yeah, I mean, pretty much hopefully as soon as he receives my message, he can always hopefully he messages me back, and we can go ahead and see where we're at in the whole situation, and then pretty much from there, if they are still working on it, they might not notify you just yet because they're probably still investigating it.
Mm-hmm.
But more likely they will go ahead and notify you as soon as they figure out what's wrong with your loan.
Okay. I really appreciate it, sir. Thank you so much. Well,
yes, I'm sorry, what was that?
as I said, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your help, for your call.
Oh yeah, sure, and I appreciate it. So hopefully we can go ahead and have
Of course. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
مادر اونجا نذاری برو بعد عزیزم ولم کن دیگه برو کاری ندارم برو وایسا